trial of Professor Christopher Ameyaw Akumfi and Solomon Asamoah in connection with the infamous Sky Train Project that never was. Denis Wedam Esquire is with me. He was in court earlier today. Lawyers for Professor Christopher Ameyaw Akumfi, the former board chair of the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, have withdrawn their services. Dennis, why? What's going on?
Well, so I mean, it's very normal for such things to happen if there's a disagreement between counsel and then clients. I mean, counsel can withdraw their representation. So it's one of those things.
I see. I
say so because the letter that was written to the court, which was, it did not indicate what the reasons were, but Prof himself had indicated that there were some misunderstanding between them for which they are mediating. So, I mean, basically that's about it. So he now has to look for another lawyer or to engage services of other lawyers. So because of that, the proceedings for today could not carry on. And that basically was an application they had to stay proceedings. That's because they had earlier filed a motion seeking the Attorney General to disclose to them some documents. Some documents to the effect that they needed those documents to be able to help their case. And as the law is, I mean, they're entitled to that if indeed that kind of document exists. The Attorney General opposed that. And the basis for the opposition is that the documents that they were asking for, they do not have that document. So there's no way they could give such a document. The court ruled against them. That is to say, the court dismissed that application for that disclosure. So they went on an appeal. So while on an appeal, they came back to the High Court to say, stay the proceedings, let's deal with the one at the Court of Appeal and come back. However, when they were there today to move that application, the second accused person, who is in the person of Prof, did not have his lawyer. So they had to adjourn the case just to allow him to get a lawyer so that on the next agenda date, they can have that business done.
I see. And I know that this is one that you're following quite closely, and we'll see. So it's incumbent on Christopher Ameyaw Akumfi, professor, to get a new lawyer, right? And then we'll see how things go.
That's so, sure.
Thank you.